to the runner-up and $50 to the semi-finalist. Burnout to the Southwest budget. What's the burnout contest as we mentioned before, following all of the should begin around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Big run in the right lane at a 13:55 at 103 miles an hour. Left lane shows, that's the MBRP side of the racetrack, a 12:28 at 114 miles per hour. 7 Dodge, the Bullydog truck. This is a performance-based class. Right around him with the Bullydog Dodge. 881 and 157 for Jared Vollmer. Brett Deutsch in that vintage 69 Chevrolet stepside goes 971 at 146 miles an hour. All right, here we go. This is super qualifying, and they are based on the 1190 index. First up is Nick Addison in the left lane on the MBRP side with the Bullydog truck. First is Martin Reed in the right lane. Closest to the 1190 index at 1191. And this time he goes 12:03 and 111 versus a 12:42 for Marcus Weaver on the industrial injection side. Aberdeen, Idaho. Final truck down the racetrack in Super Diesel competition. Goes 12:04 against the 1190 index and will advance to the second round by default. And Matt Michigan from Brazil, Indiana. 2005 black Chevrolet. The Bullydog truck on a pretty good lap here as Nick had almost 2/10 of a second advantage in reaction time. The Bullydog truck goes 12:02 at 102 miles an hour. And that's cool. Brett Deutsch and Jared Vollmer pair up. Vollmer trying to set the record at 881 in row 3. Brett Deutsch just trying to take it to the final round. Jared Vollmer goes 870. 870 for Jared Vollmer, and yes, in fact, he is the new record setter.
All right, the semifinal round in Pro Street, again sponsored by Suncoast Converters and Bill Palmer from Oklahoma, Georgia. The green 94 Dodge taking on Jared Vollmer and the Bullydog. Dodge in the left lane, that's the red truck. fabulous run for Jared Vollmer, and are you kidding me? Oh man, that run does not count, unfortunately. We wondered about it because I know it says 793 on the scoreboard, but that is not a legitimate run.